Hey guys, it's your girl Naturally Jazz and welcome back to my channel. So as you guys read by the title, today's video is going to be an organizational video. So guys, today we are in my kitchen and I want to organize under my kitchen sink area here. You guys know I love to organize and just do things once I feel they have gotten out of hand or they just need to be looking a little bit better. And today is under my kitchen cabinet area. I haven't really done much to this area besides when I moved in. I put a little basket under there to hold like some of my cleaning products, and then the other side has just been catching stuff. It's not too much stuff under there, but I definitely want to organize under there. I also had to restock on some products that I've used. These disinfectant wipes, I just got 3 little things of these I'm gonna put under there to stock up on my cleaning supplies. I also got another thing because I have been loving the lemon and lime spick and span. It's antibacterial and I feel like it just does a really good job with just cleaning like surfaces and things like that. Also got these 2 cleaners, and by the way, I restocked at Dollar Tree today. I feel like you can always find some good stuff at the Dollar Tree. If you really just check out the cleaning supply area, you can find some really good stuff in there. So I saw this lemongrass and citrus is a all-purpose plant-based cleaner. So I thought that it smelled really good. It has like a really fresh scent to it. So I love the way this smells, and it just reminds me of what I want my kitchen to smell like after I clean it. I'm always using some type of lemon scent because lemon or fresh scent is my favorite type of cleaning house scent. So I definitely had to snag this, and I just love the aesthetic of the bottle. I also grabbed some room spray, and this is supposed to be a luxury room spray mist. I actually grabbed this for the bathroom, but I am going to just store it under my kitchen cabinet with the rest of my cleaning supplies until I figure out a different type of mist to put in here, because I like the bottle. It's mainly what I got it for, but I'm not like a real big fan of the fragrance. It's supposed to be like an island breeze, but it hardly smells like anything. So yeah, probably will replace this with another fragrance, but love the bottle. Then I always keep baking soda on hand. Another multi-purpose cleaner. It is a non-toxic and it has a lemongrass scent to it as well. So it says that you can clean your countertops, your kitchen, your glass, and all that good stuff. So I got this as well. And also I also got this 2-tier organizer that we're gonna go ahead and put under the kitchen cabinet as well. Like I said, I already have a little basket under there, but I thought that this would just elevate it a little bit more. I've always wanted one of these, and I finally got my hands on one. And if it works out to where I need another one, I can always go grab them because they had tons of it. And I think this was only like $6. So I'm gonna put it together, which it shouldn't take too long because it looks like it only requires about like little four legs to make it stand on top of each other. And then also I have these little holders, which originally were supposed to go inside my bathroom area, but it's not really working out in there. So I decided to use them as like kitchen towel holders or kitchen sponge holders because it has the little holding racks on it. And I am just gonna hang this on the cabinet underneath my sink, and then it can just hold the things on there as a door. These are really simple ways to organize and just keep everything looking nice and neat. So I'm gonna go ahead and get to it. And if you guys like this idea, I hope that you guys check out your local Dollar Tree or Family Dollar or Dollar General, because I'm pretty sure you can find these products as well as an organizer like this to turn your space into something nice like I'm about to do. Okay guys, so currently this is what underneath my kitchen sink area is looking like. It has a bunch of empty cleaning products, so that's why I actually went to go restock. I have some of this spick and span stuff left, but I'm definitely about to run out, so I need to get more. A little bit of dishwashing liquid that I had down here. This is empty. Pretty much this basket needs to be just cleaned out, and I have like an old rag in there I need to throw away. And on this side is holding like nails and tools and things from like our beds and stuff when we first moved in. So I'm gonna move this out of the way as well, and I'm probably gonna slide this basket to that side. I have some Drano for the sink, and then also some paint and a paintbrush, and then this little thing that goes on the dishwasher. So I'm gonna move all this out of the way and get organized. Alrighty guys, so we have clear under the sink out, and one thing I'm not gonna do is I'm not gonna take out these little mats that I put down when I originally moved here, because I feel like they're just good at keeping the base of the bottom of your cabinets and things a little bit cleaner. So, and they are like slip resistant type of thing, so they keep things from slipping and sliding as well. So I'm definitely gonna keep these down, and now we're just gonna put our little stand together and we're gonna start putting our stuff on it. All right guys, so really quickly I'm gonna go ahead and put the stand together. I went ahead and opened it up. As you can see, it's just like two little baskets, and it comes with these little plastic legs. So like I said, it should be pretty easy to put together, and I think it just requires the legs on each end, and it also looks like it has just some end stoppers on there as well. So we'll see. And so I just kind of have to see how it goes. I never read instructions on anything, and I probably should. This actually didn't come with instructions though, because I think it's pretty self-explanatory. I just need to figure out like which part of the legs, which I think it just twists in there. I think. I'm not sure. Yeah, as simple as it seems, it's always, the simplest things always seem like so hard at the same time, because I feel like, why are these like, they have like 4 little, it just made funny. It's not like round. So I thought that, you know, but hey, I got it in there. I got the other one in there. I guess you just have to give it a little bit of a push, and it seems to just twist in there really good. And I kind of like that the legs are clear instead of white like the basket, because I feel like that gives it a little bit of a different look as well. And then it just has these little holes here on the back end, and I'm assuming that you just sit those inside of there. Really easy. We have our stand created, and then it looks like these here just go at the top end to give it more of like a decorative look. Or actually, I do believe they go at the bottom end. I want to say they go at the bottom end. I don't know. Like I said, it didn't come with instructions. I'm just kind of, yeah, so it gives it like a little leg, some little legs at the bottom too to make it stand up. It's so cute. And this is what it looks like. So freaking cute. And then these are just the toppers to go in the little holes at the top here. And now we're just gonna take this under the sink and put our stuff on it. Alrighty guys, so I got both of my baskets in here. This is what it's looking like. Of course, there's no way we can remove the pipe or anything, so we just have to work around it. But I was just trying to figure out if I wanted it to face like this, because there is enough room for this to actually turn this way, and you have like a ton more space, and then this can actually move and like kind of like sit right there. And then I feel like another, if I go and get like another one of those tier things, I can put another one on this side over here. So I think since I don't have 2 of these, and I may just go back and get another one, and it'll be strictly for like dish detergent, I may go back and get another one just so it can be like for dish detergent. But I think since I don't have 2 right now, I am just going to put that like that, and then turn this one around for now. I think it definitely helps to space out to turn it this way. So now we're just gonna put our stuff on it. This is how I put everything in here. I kind of put like my glass cleaners and stuff over there, and then all of like my disinfectant stuff over here, and like I have this cleaning paste and baking soda, and then all of my other sprays. And I think it looks so cute and organized, and it just is really great for when I open under here and it's not looking like a disaster or too cluttered. Everything is just in place. So I definitely like this, and I think it turned out awesome. And then guys, for this little rack here, I'm just gonna simply place it on the cabinet like this. So when you close it, this is what it looks like when you close it, and then when you open it back up, this is what it looks like. But then like for my little kitchen sponges and stuff, I can just kind of hang easily accessible when I'm cleaning and things like that. I can just kind of hang my sponges and stuff on there like that and just grab them. So yeah. That is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed me organizing under my kitchen cabinet. As I stated earlier, you guys know I like to organize and make things more functional for me, and I definitely have to tackle some other spaces in my home, especially in my bathroom. I feel like a lot of things need to be reorganized in there, and yeah, this is just getting me back in the groove or getting everything organized. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure, if you haven't liked, go ahead and give me a big like, comment. I would love to have you comment, and subscribe if you haven't, and check out my next video. Bye bye.